Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our first online assembly of 2021. I hope that you all had a lovely Christmas and I'm wishing you a happy new year. Christmas was a really lovely, special time for me. I really enjoyed it and I enjoyed spending lovely family time with my little girl. And we had lots and lots of fun. And Father Christmas brought her lots of presents, which she liked. I hope you all got some lovely gifts and had some lovely family time too. Now, back at school, we're busy clearing all the Christmas things away. And while I was clearing those things away, I found in Santa's postbox, this one's from Oak Class, while I was clearing it away, I found a letter. It's addressed to Miss Simmonds and all of the children at Lostwithiel Primary School. Shall we open it? Here we are. What's in here? What does it say? Oh, it says, I will use less plastic. I will eat more vegetables. I will smile more. I will keep in touch with my friends. That's a strange letter to get. Shall I share a secret with you? I sent this letter to myself because these are my New Year's resolutions. Now, I've actually kept them so far. So I'm using less plastic because I've got a water bottle that I fill up every day and one of these cups, which helps me because I don't use anything disposable. And I really hope this year that I'm able to keep my resolutions and really try hard to do all of those things. And I've chosen those because they're positive. They're saying that I will do something. So often with our resolutions, we say that we're going to take something away or give something up. But this time, I think rather than taking something out of our lives, let's try and put something back in. Now, I wonder if you have made any resolutions. I've got a bit of a challenge for you, children of Lostwithiel School. I was wondering if you could think of 2 special New Year's resolutions where you're going to put something back into your life. And I wondered if you could message me or send them to me. You can do that on paper, in a video, a photograph, however you would like. And then we can share them next week and see what kind of resolutions that we've got at Lostwithiel School. I'm really excited to see those things that you come up with. I think you're going to come up with some really special ideas. So, can you close your eyes now and think of a positive way you could change? Could you do more to help others at school if you're at school, or at home if you're at home with your mummies, daddies, parents or carers? How could you help? Could you work harder on developing one of your own special gifts or talents? Or could you help to raise some money for a charity? Think about how you could do something differently to make yourself a better person. I know that you're going to come up with some brilliant ideas. Now, I hope that we have the strength to work on our resolutions this year. We're going to have to work really hard to be resilient. There's lots of things that are very different, but we can work together to get through those things. And by being kinder, that's going to help us all. And then by the end of the year, I'm sure we'll have added something more positive to all of our lives. So, everybody, this time next week, I hope that I've got lots of New Year's resolutions to share with you. And I'm really excited to hear all of your ideas. Now, something exciting next week we'll be doing assembly is sharing our star learners. So the teachers are going to decide who has shown them some really hard work at home and at school through the week. If you've got learning that you'd like to share, please dojo it to your class teacher and we'll talk about it in our assemblies. We'll be picking 2 star learners from each year group, 1 home learner and 1 key worker learner. And so you'll be able to share learning with us and we'll be able to share that back with you. I really hope that you've enjoyed this assembly, and if you've got any ideas or anything, things that you would like to see in assembly, then please do let me know. You can dojo your teachers or you can message me, children, and you can let me know if you'd like anything else. Next week, on Monday, I'm going to be reading a story. I'm going to read the story, All Are Welcome Here. Now, again, if you've got any story suggestions, anything you'd like me to read, please do let me know and I'll try and do that as well. So on Monday, it will be story time with Miss Simmonds, and on Friday, it's going to be assembly with Miss Simmonds. We really miss you all. We know the safest thing to do is for us to stay home at the moment, but I'm really hoping that we can all be together again soon. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.